I am going to show you how to activate a Green Dot Visa card without Social Security number. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Activating your Green Dot card without a Social Security number isn't possible because identity verification is required to use the card. However, if you do have your Social Security number, you can easily activate your card online in just a few steps. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Green Dot activation page. Then enter your details to access your account. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide all the requested information, including your full name, date of birth, Social Security number, and current address. You will also need to enter the 3-digit security code from the back of your card, along with the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and your phone number. Take a moment to carefully review everything you've entered to make sure it's correct before submitting it. Once you submit your information, the system will take a little time to verify your details. After your card is successfully activated, you'll receive a notification and can start using it for purchases and transactions right away. And if you're already using your card for online payments, you might also be interested in simple ways to earn a bit of extra cash online. There are platforms that let you complete small tasks, surveys, or offers to make some side income in your free time. I've included a link in the description where you can sign up for FreeCash for free and explore how it works if you want to give it a try.